Alright, listen up, DIY legends. Before I dive in, smash that link in the description for a cheeky discount on HOTO Tools. Your wallet will thank you later. Now you know how it is. 1 minute you're hanging a picture, next you're knee-deep in a bathroom renovation. HOTO Tools! Oh, these are your new best mates. First up, their cordless drill. This little beast? It's lighter than my nan's teapot but packs a serious punch. I've used it to put up shelves, assemble flat-pack furniture, even drilled into brick. No complaints, just smooth power. The LED light, honestly, it's like having a tiny sun in your toolbox. Then we've got the precision screwdriver kit. I always lose those tiny bits, but HOTO's magnetic case? Genius. It's got every head you'll ever need and the handle has a sweet grip. No more trying to twist a screw with a butter knife, thank you very much. Let's talk about their laser measure. No more wonky tape measures snapping back at your fingers. One tap, and you get an instant digital reading. Super accurate, and honestly, it makes me feel like a secret agent every time I use it. Now don't get me started on their electric air pump. Inflated the paddling pool, car tires, bike wheels, even pumped up my mate's football. I only wish it could inflate my motivation to clean the garage. But here's what I love most. These tools look proper smart. No garish colours, just sleek, minimalist vibes. They're the kind you actually want to leave out on your workbench. So, is HOTO worth it? If you like tools that are clever, tough, and a bit stylish, absolutely. They're built for real people who do real projects, not just collect dust. Don't forget, click that link below for your special offer. Treat yourself, or drop a hint to someone who owes you a favour. Happy building, and don't forget your safety goggles.